the channel, guys. So the work begins on the S3. So I've gone through the whole car. There's been a bit of a list of things. Cars like this, you have to go through them, especially done about 100k. So I wouldn't just take anyone's word for it if they said to me the car was completely sound. So there's one issue that I sorted out off camera. It was a pig to do. What happened on my last video, if you remember me saying that the drive shaft was loose. So what happens, where the drive shaft bolts go in, they go in pairs. You've got a shim, like a horseshoe shaped shim on each set of bolts. So one bolt came completely out, started spinning with the drive shaft, put a tiny little nick in the gearbox. So that oil leak was coming from the gearbox housing. Right, it took me ages to find it because it was like literally a pinhole, and it would only squirt out oil on pressure while driving. Anyway, it's been properly repaired, it's been cleaned and then patched up properly. No more oil leak, and that's gonna last forever. I didn't see the point of getting a complete gearbox for that tiny pinhole. So anyway, that's sorted now. Drive shaft bolts are all in, everything's tightened up, everything's greased up again, so it's all good. It drives perfect, no oil leaks. Today's video is going to be rocker cover gasket, so I'm going to do a quick time lapse on changing the rocker cover gasket. So let me just grab the camera and I'll show you. Okay, so first of all, remove the cover, which is that there, easy. Just sits on these things here, these rubber grommets. Okay, one there, that one's gone missing somewhere, God knows where. Right, so that comes off, and you've got, I've started undoing the bolts, right? They're like T20, T25 Torx, all the way here, here. These two pipes come off, 2 bolts off the timing belt cover come off, thing just slides off, okay? Little screwdriver probably under about here, just wedge it up. Be careful not to crack it, guys, because it's very, very flimsy plastic. Coil packs, obviously out, they're here. Coil pack harness with the clips, just push it straight back. Pretty easy procedure, guys. Probably, if you're a competent mechanic, half an hour. Breather system, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Thing just comes off. Take the gasket or take the cover off, clean it all up, put it back. So I'm just going to do a time lapse on removing it and go through the process of cleaning it, cleaning the cylinder head, and then putting it back on, guys. So it's been a long time, but here's a time lapse.
Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed.
Okay, guys. So that process was a bit of a headache, cleaning it all up. So cleaned it up best I can. Put the seal around it, the gasket. Bolts are all in, and it's going to refit it, guys. So another time lapse for you.
And I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
So yeah, guys, rock cover's back on, all bolted up nicely. So yeah, nothing to it really. So that's another oil leak sorted. I'm contemplating whether to do a timing belt or not. It has been done, but just for a peace of mind. But anyway, that's a different one. So yeah, like, subscribe as always, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.
Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling.